Park is supposed to open today. So we're hoping to get a good spot. Up until March 13th, there's just a little one bottom loop of camping available. It's not very many spots, and most of them are doubles. And there's Goldstream. Gate's supposed to open at noon, and we're at like 11:35. So it's not open yet. All right, we saw the truck come and open the gate. Look at all these people here waiting. I don't even know if anyone else is camping, but here we go, buddy. I've never attended the opening ceremonies of a campground before. Feels like there should be some music or something going on. Woo! Vehicle number 2 of the year.
Yeah.
Let's go Goldstream. So do we get our choice of spots?
Yeah.
Woo!
I know, right?
I don't even know if that minivan's camping.
No, I don't know, maybe, but I know we have choice of any spot we fucking want.
Oh, well, that road's closed.
Might open it later, though. Maybe not.
It's okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, we walked to the fucking waterfall here, right?
We did walk to the waterfall. All right. Not a camper in sight.
Wow. It's the craziest thing. I've never been in a campsite where we're the first.
We got the choice of spots. I think we should try and head to the back corner.
Yeah. Man, it's cool.
They're all so pretty.
Yeah.
There's no garbage.
No, nothing. It's all just clean, fresh, fucking shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That's okay.
Alright, so is this loop that's open?
Maybe.
Well, why wouldn't they open that loop?
I'm sure they will. That gate's open over there, so maybe he's just gonna come up and around and open.
Oh, and open it over
open
there. No, but I
gates.
can't enter that way.
Well, I think you can today.
Oh,
It's a sandy dump. We'll make our own choices.
Yeah.
Well, there's the blue free water. Oh, right over there.
Oh, look, they got heat in the fucking, in the other houses.
Ooh, the bathrooms. Stack is smoking.
Man, can we go have a shower today?
Oh, we're showering today. Well, maybe tomorrow. Woohoo! Think of how warm the showers will be. There's not anyone here.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
And I need the handicap shower, please.
The last 3 showers I've had, other than your mom's, was fucked up.
Yeah, I ran out of water last time.
Here, stop up here. I'll check the tap. Should have water. Let's see. Water!
Yes.
All right.
What do you
We're
think?
considering this spot. It's got lots of sun for the solar, water, garbage, bathrooms. Pretty good spot. Nice and sunny.
Let's take it.
We're taking it. Here's home. Cooking up some delicious farm fresh chicken breast tonight. So George is gonna pre-season it up. Interesting.
Cool. So,
What do we got going?
well, we really need some salt.
Salt?
No, like seasoned salt.
No, we don't have any.
Garlic.
Roast pepper and garlic.
Smoky ranchero.
Oh yeah, smoky ranchero.
Red paprika. Cajun. Oh no, I put Cajun. No, I didn't.
Well, Cajun. Need that too. Mmm. Let this sit around all day. Delicious.
More on here. A little rinse here.
Okay.
Oh, fuck, I had it. Roll.
Chicken's all ready to go. It's gonna be so yummy. Just having a nice fire. A little bit of a rainy night tonight. Gonna cook up our chicken on the fire. Make some baked potatoes. Should be lovely.
Whoop, whoop.
Time to put the chicken on.
I tell you, if you could have smell-o-vision right now, it'd be fucking dang.
All right, grill's ready.
Oh shit. Got it.
We've got quite the wintry mix going on tonight. But we're nice and cozy over here. Under our shelter with our chairs. Cooking our delicious supper. What a delicious supper, babe.
It's coming together, ain't it?
Talking to Mom.
Yeah.
Snowing. Generators charging all the stuff.
Sit.
Headed out on a little walk today. Gonna walk to Tim Hortons, get some coffee, and then walk back to the waterfall. But it's a gorgeous day. Here's the beautiful Goldstream. Don't jump off the bridge, it says. Ooh. No.
Maybe over there, yeah? That's very good job there.
It's a little busier than we like, but what do you do? Just gonna head to Upper Goldstream.
Do I need a leash?
Yeah, we need a leash for you, babe. We forgot it. Found a beautiful spot. Look at this huge tree. Down by the river. Oh, falling over. Cool tree. Lightning strike. But it's beautiful down here. Look at this cute little bird. He's dancing and he swims and dives. He's bobbing. Just headed down to find another little river spot. Another 420 break. This way, babe. Left. Right's nice too. Whoops. Okay. Oh, look, a slug. Nice little banana slug. They were everywhere.
Oh, sorry.
No, keep going. You lead the way, babe. Yeah, I was thinking of looking there too.
Oh, wow.
The river, like, I don't know if it just splits and comes back together or if it's a different... Oh, look at that big, like, low up there. I don't know if I can... It's beautiful here. Gotta love the rainforest on a sunny day.
Spot here. Here's your 420 moment, and this is today's swim spot. Why do they not make this a campsite?
Look at this beautiful river, though. It's just roaring there. The woodpeckers have gone crazy on this tree. These holes are huge.
Yeah.
Thing's gonna fall soon.
Yeah. They've been eating well there.
We're in the middle of a big hill.
We'll make it.
But it's beautiful, so can't
Not gonna
complain.
Yeah.
All right, down we go. Down's the fun part. Here we go. Okay. Yep, down to the waterfall we go. Just don't die, would you? That's what Billy does. Holy cow, it's way high. I don't even know if we can get over there. Yes. Okay, I gotta do the same. Right? Woo! That's beautiful. That's not so beautiful. Campground's filled up.
What's up with all these
Nissan family.
white crew?
Oh, yeah. But, yep, the campground's filled up. We made our way back. Now to go find some supper and whatnot. We made it home. It was a beautiful walk, though. Had a great day. Home is where we park it. Cooking up a couple more legs and backs. We're gonna steam them up, and then we're gonna use the steam water and make some tortellini Alfredo. It's been a beautiful day, though. It's still nice and clear. Sun shining. It's about 8 degrees. Look at that beautiful van. She's a beauty.
Oh my God, it's gonna be good. All right. I'm gonna fire the fucking stove up.
Fire it up, babe. Alright, we let the chicken steam for 40 minutes. Look at it. You can't even imagine how good it smells in here.
Oh my God.
So
Look at the water.
We're gonna cook the pasta in that too. Alright, so chicken in the dish. Here it comes. Look at that. Oh, delicious. Alright, I gotta get the pasta. Alright, we got some 3 cheese tortellini. Yummy, yummy. Into that yummy water.
I need a little bit more water in it.
Okay, I'll get more. Yep.
Let's get that chicken in there. All that goodness.
Gotta get it out.
Gotta get it out somehow.
Oh, look at this though. Sweet cheese chicken tortellini Alfredo.
With a little spice and pizzazz.
Well, our time at Goldstream's over. We're all packed up, and I tell ya, we have a very exciting new adventure coming. Monday, we're gonna hop off the island.
So stay tuned for our next adventures.
Got the engine singing loud and proud, chasing sunsets in a golden cloud. We don't need no map or fancy plan, just the open road.